welcome to another Salty Scout from Scout Sailing. Today I'm going to cook some pulled pork here in my pressure cooker. Pressure cooker is very popular amongst other sailors because it is a very fuel efficient way of cooking food. I'm in Staniel Cay, which is in the Exumas in the Bahamas. So Staniel Cay is famous for three reasons. The first one is its location next to a beautiful snorkeling site called Thunderball Grotto, where its name is taken from the movie Thunderball, a James Bond movie. The second reason is these famous swimming pigs, which are nearby. And then the third reason is the yacht club. So the pork that I'm going to be using will be in portions, so I'll add the pork to the pressure cooker shortly. I've pre-made this. Essentially what it is some chicken stock, some lemon juice, mustard, garlic, pepper, salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, some tomato paste, and some onion powder. So I finished shallow frying the pork pieces in olive oil, and now I'm going to add the tomato mix here and let it cook for about maybe 20-25 minutes. We'll see how it goes. So while that's cooking, maybe we should go snorkeling. So I'm going to drain the juice from the pork, and it should be very tender at this stage. And the reason they call it pulled pork is you literally pull it apart with 2 forks. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here is the pulled pork that I've flaked. I added a little bit of the juice back in just to keep it moist. So let's go and enjoy outside and enjoy the sunset as well. Here we are in this beautiful anchorage. I have this Chenin Blanc. It's a South African Chenin Blanc, which I'm going to serve with the pulled pork. I think it will work really well. Maybe a little squirt of lime juice. Pretty good.